number 6. Have you any old photo of the two of you together? Coming up. You have seen of them, some
of them.
Some of them already. That's what we told you just a second
Maybe
ago.
we can put a couple between some of the questions.
No, just some of them after this, and some
Just random.
beautiful music.
Beautiful music.
Way. So, they're coming. Yeah, lots of photos. Number 7. Are you close? Yes. really close. You're hurting my body.
It's
Okay,
called being strong.
We're really close. Not that we don't really tell each other lots of secrets, do we?
No.
We don't, but we don't really have any secrets. We have some, but it's not something the other one needs to know about.
Mm.
So we're kind of close, but only in important things.
We also live in 2 separate places.
So we're
not like together every night and having fun and like
we wouldn't have fun with that. Every time we say we're going to sit down, watch some movies and have fun and eat a lot of candy, we just like when we make it to the place where we're doing it, we're just like watching the movie and just, when is it over? Can I get some more candy? When is it over? So
can you pass me the chips?
Nope, it's my precious. Well, that's mostly. So that's how close we are. We're close, but not too close.
Right now we're close.
Yeah, physically, but okay. 8. Do you hang out and do things together?
Sometimes. You've like done things
You're shaking the camera.
Taking me to the movies.
Yes, it's always me who does that. I'm waiting for in a couple of years when she gets really, really rich. I'm waiting.
Popular.
Yes, I'm waiting for her to just take me everywhere. So I'm spending money on you now, so you can spend them on me later.
It's like in what's it called? I had it right. Just.
Yes.
It's like an investment.
Yes.
You invest money on me now for me to give you something later.
We have already planned that when she gets 18, I'm taking her out, showing her the nightlife.
Yes.
Yes.
Going to the clubs.
Not like I am good at clubbing, but
I'll teach you that.
Well, I've been clubbing more than you.
Yeah. But I'm like
I'm
born a pro.
Okay. I'm not. What was you said that?
Just generally partying.
Well, I'm more the type who just sits at the bar and gets drunk. Then when I'm drunk enough, I'm dancing the rest of the night.
Yes.
And I don't mind with whom or where. I'm just dancing.
Yes.
And singing.
I have 3 moods when I'm drunk. One of them is just like, fuck it all, I'm getting drunk.
I know that one.
Yeah. Then there's the one where I get a bit drunk and then I'm just happy and everyone
You're always happy.
more happy and everyone is just
More
my
happy.
best friend. And
Yeah.
I go up to them and give them hugs and they're like, oh my god, you're my best friends, I say to them, and
They're kind of, what the hell's she doing?
yeah. I've been told by one girl that I didn't really like that at a party I was really annoying to her, that I went up to her and did this repeatedly while saying hello, hello,
Okay.
and just did it over and over again.
Yeah. Coming to, are you competitive with each other?
Not really.
We don't really compete in any way, other than watching more YouTube videos.
Yeah, and
every time she
being
comes
awesome.
into my room, she's like, have you seen that video from the Oxcast where they do that and that? No, I haven't, but thank you for telling me, because I was just about to watch it, so now I don't need to.
We compete in awesomeness. Sometimes he's standing in the kitchen and just dancing randomly, and then I walk up to her and we dance like randomly together, and we're just having a moment, and after that we're just laughing our ass off,
Yeah.
doing weird faces to each other.
Yeah, we do that a lot. It's like, it just in each end of the room, and you just like, yeah, can't explain it in another way.
No.
I hate this phone. Okay, the last one, number 10. One thing you can do that your sibling can't.
We've been thinking
a lot about this
one.
Because what can I do that you can't?
That's a good question.
I'm hungry. Give it to me. Come on.
Don't eat all of them.
She says, look how many there is. What can you do? I can't do.
I'm more flexible than you, so some of those things
Exercising.
I can do. Yes, exercising. I'm way better than you there.
Yeah. It's because I don't want to. I can't. It's too hard.
Don't eat all of them! Took me a long time plugging these.
Exciting. Okay,
So
what is
charming.
Yes, I'm charming. What can you do?
I can't really show some of the flexible stuff right now because I'm wearing the tightest jeans I have.
Yeah. She is. Look at her.
But I can do this thing with my arm.
Stop it. I don't know.
You don't want to scare people away.
Yes.
Okay.
Then they don't want to see you again. It's creepy.
Okay.
No.
Then I want to.
You really want to.
No.
Good. Then it's decided.
It's kind of creepy.
Yeah. Good you can see that. Yeah. What can I do?
What you can do?
I can cook.
You can wiggle.
No. I can I'm not showing that.
What you gotta do with a big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Intern joke from her. I can get copyrighted for that. Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can.
Not when it's the... Only if it's the original one you're playing like...
No.
I'm so bad at singing it too, so it's probably one.
Don't underestimate yourself. It could be funny if I got copyrighted.
If you get copyrighted for that, I'll laugh my ass off.
Can you show me that, please?
No. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Why did you close the window?
Because we have chickens and animals outside who makes high sounds.
They've
And because
probably heard that before.
Because of the creepy birds in the window.
The creepy birds in the window.
We have these creepy birds coming.
These
have
small birds, and
they have nests around the roof.
The roof. Yes.
And then they come and sit
in the window.
In the window when it's open.
Looking at us.
It's just like...
They are not shy at all. They're just like investigating us. Observing the ways of human being.
Really? It's really creepy.
Yeah.
Not like me creepy. Really creepy.
Like bird creepy.
Yeah. Okay. Back to the question. Here's your phone.
Thanks.
I can make. Well, I'm maybe the best one at cooking. Aren't I?
I don't know. If I want to cook, I can cook.
Yeah.
I was like forced to baking buns at home, and now they've been asking me to do it because I make the big buns. Mom.
Oh, you do?
It's not to be understood in that way, okay? Stupid.
Okay, that's what I can do. I can misunderstand everything.
But I can do that too.
No, mine is worse. Yes, it is.
Did you just say worth?
No, worse.
You mean worse?
Worse.
But it sounded
Worse.
like you said worse.
Mine is more bad. Now you can hear what I say at least. Nobody can. Nobody understands me.
Damn.
Really deep. Okay, the sun just came. Hey.
And it's so hot. I'm gonna die.
Hopefully. Oh, stop doing that. You'll die. And then it smells.
Deal with it.
Take those off.
But the sun.
We're done in like a second.
It burns.
Okay, guys. I know what I am. I'm better at video games.
Video games. Yeah.
Video games.
I just get stressed out and then I just rage quit every time.
I do that too, but I game more.
Yes, you game more.
I game more. Yeah.
The Binding of Isaac.
I hate that game. I hate it.
Yes.
But you can't say anything because you haven't played it that as much as I have, and I hate it.
We suck equally at that game.
Yeah.
It's just... I love to watch YouTubers play.
I like the game. I like watching it.
I love it.
That's why we love YouTube,
Yeah.
because we can watch people do something we can't do.
Yes.
Yeah. That's just say that.
Yeah.
That's our thing. I was the reason for her getting a YouTube account.
Yeah.
And then I made it for her.
Then she put a lot of subscriptions.
Yes, I found all my favorite subscription
and
things
subscribed
from her account.
From my account, and I think I've deleted most of them.
No,
not all of them.
Not the Yogscast,
No.
but most of the others. Sly.
Yes.
I was the one who introduced you
Yes.
to him.
There are still some of them, but sometimes I just get really angry at a YouTuber, and then I'm like, screw this! I'm not watching you anymore.
I had like
Bam! And then
I'm subscribed to like 200
Then
YouTubers, and I watch it all.
Then I take my computer and throw it on the ground. I don't want to see that shit.
No, you don't.
If I had a better computer, I would do that to my old one. That one.
Yeah, that one. Well, guys, it has been a fun video this time. Or at least we thought it was funny.
It was funny to make it. I don't know how fun it is to watch it.
It was more funny making this than the other video.
Yeah.
It really was.
And we have cherries.
Yeah. It's really good. They taste good.
Should we end the video, or are we just gonna sit here talking with our mouth full? So good.
Should we end the video now?
Maybe.
Well,
You will put my link to Tumblr in the description below. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Oh, will I?
You will do that.
I can't stop doing it because she has every video I own. So, I will. Then you can both watch my videos on my Tumblr and hers.
Yes, I'll reblog it. And comment on the video like last time, like, oh my god, you have the most awesome sister in the world.
Yes. You think so?
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye.
What are you used to saying?
Just bye. And,
Bye, guys.
And waving.
Yeah, and then you put the end thing, like the end of the video.
Just jumping.
bouncing on the bed.
Bye, waving while eating cherries.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and a favorite if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video.